Welcome to Allstate Home Leisure by Watson's. In this video, we will show you how one of our jacuzzi swim spas can be delivered to your backyard. Before our delivery team arrives, we ask that the path to your final pad is clear of debris and overhanging obstacles. When the delivery team arrives, they will discuss with you what to expect during the delivery process. While we have multiple ways to deliver your swim spa, this particular delivery gave us direct availability to the backyard, allowing for an easy crane lift. With the crane in place, the swim spa will be brought in as close as possible to be attached. The team lead and crane operator will coordinate the move of your new swim spa off of the trailer to its new location while assuring all crew members and yourself are within safe distances. Before unstrapping your new swim spa, the crew leader will check with you and confirm the swim spa is in its final location. After the position is finalized, the crew will unwrap your spa and review a brief checklist of your swim spa conditions with you. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have regarding your delivery, but refer back to your sales rep for anything else. The crew will pack up and take all the debris with them. Now is the time for your electrician or yourself to hook up the new swim spa and fill up to enjoy the hydrotherapy you deserve. If you're ready to add a swim spa to your home, please visit your nearest Allstate Home Leisure by Watson's location.